Some 12 years ago now, Microsoft released SQL Server 2008. Though not quite as revolutionary as its predecessor, SQL Server 2005, it was still a major milestone for the product. It provided solid performance and included other features that helped secure SQL Server's place as one of the world's best database platforms. It was so good, in fact, many companies are still running it today. But to put that into perspective, let's remember some of the other things that happened in 2008. If you recall, a junior senator from Illinois, Barack Obama, ascended to the White House, becoming the 44th president of the U.S. In the tech world, Google released the first public version of the Chrome web browser. And in the consumer realm, Apple's iPhone 3G hit the market. Now, I don't know a single person that still owns an iPhone 3G or who uses version 1.0 of Chrome. The technology is just too old. But there are still a lot of companies running mission-critical applications on SQL Server 2008. Those companies are missing out on all the SQL goodness that was added to the product over the past 12 years. The massive improvements to reliability and performance. What's even more concerning, though, is that SQL Server 2008 is out of extended support. That means no service packs, no hot fixes, no security updates, and if you have problems with your database, no support. So what can you do with an old version of SQL Server still in production? Well, you can opt to do nothing, allowing the aging database and application to sunset gracefully, making plans to replace its functionality with something more modern. That's a great option for old CRM or ERP systems that'll be going away soon. Second, if you have a handful of servers, maybe simply replacing the ones you have with newer instances of SQL Server is a good option for you. If you go that route, make sure you run the Data Migration Assistant first to check for any potential issues such as deprecated features or behavioral changes. A more pensive approach is to evaluate your SQL landscape and look for opportunities to realign some of the services, perhaps even reducing your SQL footprint with some consolidation. And finally, many of our customers opt for a combination approach, sunsetting some applications, upgrading others, and consolidating the rest. Which option is the best for you? Well, it depends. There's no clear one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to how to handle aging SQL servers. The important thing is to make a conscious choice. For more information about these upgrade options, visit this URL: https://jweb.me/4 options for old SQL servers.